Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to So Crypto, your home for Crypto TA. I am your host Martin, and today we're going to be looking at will Bitcoin break bullish? Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and that bell. That way you will be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us whenever your stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links will be going out here shortly. How's it going, beautiful people? How y'all doing? Hope y'all doing great. Let's get rolling here. Is that the actual link? Let's resend it. I think I might have typed an extra number there that shouldn't be there. Yeah, last three shouldn't be there. Felt awkward when I typed it, but here we go. Let's pin it. There we go. Pin it top of the chat. Go click that. Join us in the Discord. Let's get rolling. Let's see what's happening. Yo, Doomer, what's up? Produce the gains. Yo, elbow cuff. Or dab, as we should call it. It should read elbow cuff, but it's a dab, we know. Anyways, guys, what's happening with crypto? I haven't really been looking at the market. I just came up with a title. I was like, no clue, man. I haven't really been looking at the market. Let's see what's happening. Yo, we rallied a little bit, 5.57. All right. Had the bullish divergence on the daily, looking for that action to the upside, going for that 20 moving average. Again, that's what we've kind of discussed. That 20 moving average at 1.009, 1 trillion, 1.009 trillion, right? If we do break above that 20, we're looking at 1.03 trillion. Hopefully get above that target. But for now, again, take it a day at a time. Nothing bearish overhead yet. Neutral. Sorry, sold at 36.50. Let's go check out the Bitcoin. Bitcoin, 21,015. Man, do we go bullish? Yes. Are we breaking back into areas that we want to be in? Yes. Areas that we have not closed within, which is good. Last time we were up here and above the 20,911, we're rejected. Right, we rejected, came back down throughout the day. Now we're breaking back into this area. That's good. That means that today, 20,911 should be holding on support. Could be back tested. And then we could be looking for more action to the upside. Hopefully we can start breaking up and go for that 23,000, maybe even that 25,000. The 20 moving average would be extremely good at 24,372. And if we do that, we're still in danger because there's a chance we might reject and go for the third leg down. So we're not out of the woods, right? But we could start looking for some recovery. Market might start to turn bullish. People might be saying, yo, I told you to buy at 20. You know, you're going to hear people saying, oh, I told you to buy at 20. I still believe the market could drop to 12 and 10. I mean, not want to be bearish. I'm bad. I usually try not to be bearish in the channel or bullish. But, I mean, if the market behaves the way it's done the past two times, when we've seen drops of 83 and 86%, we are looking at 12,000s. We are looking at 10,000. So, you know, it's not out of the woods that we could head there, right? So we're not out of the woods. Bitcoin in theory could still go there. We might go on a short-term bullish trend before we drop again. We know it is possible. Even during bear times and bear cycles, there are spikes, right? There are pumps to the upside. Just like when there's pumps to the upside and we're in a bull market, we have bearish movements, right? We have drops before we get pumps again. So it's all within market motions. About to get across with MACD over the signal line, which is good. Nothing bullish, man. Nothing bullish on the daily. Let's go to the 4-hour. 4-hour chart, bearishness, moving down. All right. We didn't quite hit that 9,666. Got very close to it, though. Pumping a bit. Pumping a bit. We didn't create any hidden bullish either, right? Negative momentum, less negative momentum, low to high. Everything here is okay after that hidden divergence. So all this looks like right now is just that sideways motion, right? We are trying to recover a bit. Not going to go for that head and shoulders yet, right? That inverse head and shoulders, because I don't believe these shoulders are it. Right, that neckline would be extremely slanted. If that was to be the case, we would already be breaking it, and I don't think we're gonna go extremely bullish yet. But I want to measure something. I'm not sure it is gonna be a 30% rally, man. 22. It would have been beautiful if this would have been a 30%. Why am I saying that? Because then we could have started to look at something that could have been a cup and handle, but it's not there yet. So also not that. Yeah, like we did here, right? That channel we shifted in before we dropped. Yeah, that's what I talked about, I think yesterday or whenever we came back, that we're going to be probably cycling in this area. Anyways, nothing happening here that is bearish, at least not now. And sitting neutral at 55.65. Man, we might have some hidden. No, we don't. All right, let's go to the 1 hour. Bring facts. What's up, my friend? Bullish divergence. Oh, no. What do we have that? Yesterday. All right. So we started a rally with that bullish divergence. Very nice. We didn't have anything bearish. We started to create bearish afterwards here at 5 in the morning. And that hidden divergence. Did we manage to make it? Did we manage to make it? Oh, yeah. No. It's sideways. and we went slightly higher. So we kind of negated it, but at some point in time, we were actually creating some of that hidden divergence, right? High to low, low to high, hidden divergence, action downside. We didn't quite get it, but guess what? Now we have some bearish divergence strong. I think I'm going to have to zoom in before we actually declare it to be there, but it's looking like it's there. And yes, we can tell, right? We're coming in lower on the MACD. So bearish divergence strong, potential fraction of downside. Started to move sideways above that 20,111 and sitting at bought at 61, right? So not the hottest, but you know, we have bearish divergence. We could move down on that and retest that 20,111, like we said, before we look for another movement up. And hopefully this bullish divergence still takes hold. Again, market conditions are bearish. We're stagnating. Maybe this bearish indicator plays with a little bit more strength. We don't know yet. Let's go check out Ethereum. Ethereum at 1,149. Ooh-wee. All right, Ethereum. Trying to get above targets. Trying to get above targets. We've hit 1,153, but we're failing to go higher. Again, that was one of the targets that we're looking for. Remember, ranging rejection of that zone. We talked about it. Now we're back at it. Hopefully we get above it. The next target is going to be 1,261. Now, that being said, we're sitting sold at 33.93 and nothing else bullish happening besides the bullish divergence that we had here. So let's go to that 4-hour chart, man. On the 4-hour, bullish divergence, hidden potential fraction to the upside, getting that pump happening. And again, rejection at 1,153. We have been at this area before. Nothing bearish right now. At least I think we don't have anything bearish. We're about to start creating some hidden bearish. Just watch out for it. It's going to put pressure on the price at a key area of resistance. So I do believe if we hit 1,153, this is going to be slightly higher. It is kind of there right now. I'm just waiting. See if I just go to this point here. I'll do Alt-H just so you can see what I'm talking about now. That Alt-H. There we go. See how we're slightly higher? That is an indicator that we're having this divergence, and that is to the live candle. So, yep. I mean, we usually want to wait for confirmation. That means the candle has to close. The next candle has to confirm it. But, you know, for now, being that we're live and we're seeing it, we're just going to say that there is a potential divergence, right? How do we negate that hidden divergence? Well, we pump. See what I told you when we hit that 1,153, we're going to be there. There it is. So, how do we negate that? We pump. We go higher than this previous high, and then we no longer have anything bearish, right? We're not going to have bearish divergence. We're going to start creating some hidden divergence. Sorry, some strong bearish divergence against the MACD, but we're not going to have that divergence against the RSI like we have right now, right? Which is hidden divergence at a key area of resistance. We need to get above that area and zone, whatever you want to call it, and pump higher. Let's go check out the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, man, ooh, bearish divergence strong, just like the Bitcoin at a key area of resistance. Now, this might tell me that, you know, we might be looking at some rejection here around the 1,153 zone. Again, here is high to low as well. We need to pump higher, and even if we do break higher, that divergence is still going to be there. So easily could negate us getting above that 1,153. Let's watch out for it. You know, don't be super hopeful, but moving down could lead us to 20. Maybe create something by the time we get there, and then see if we can rally again. But that's it for Ethereum. Man, Cardano, what? Alrighty, let's look at Cardano. What is happening with the Cardanas? Alright, KDA. Did we look at this yesterday? Yeah, we did. Alright, let's go look at this on the daily. Bearishness below the 20, still below 20. Nothing else happening. Neutral at 42.50. Let's go to the 4-hour, man. Hey, the 4-hour chart. COVID sucks. I don't have enough energy to... what? Bro, I didn't know you had COVID. I hope you get better soon. Yes, it does suck. Particularly if you get the cuffs. The cuffs are killer, man. I got really bad cuffs. Remember, I couldn't even talk without like getting into like a cough frenzy. It was just not really good. Rest up, bro. Drink liquids, whatever, you know, talk to your medic, whatever he tells you, do it. Nothing here that is bullish or bearish, so let's go to the 1 hour. Bullish divergence pumping. Oh, guess what? The bearish divergence that the rest of crypto has, like Bitcoin and Ethereum so far. So, suckers. We might be moving down here, man. We might be moving down here. Bearish divergence strong. Potential fraction of downside. We have moved down, not quite hitting that 20. We could go and hit that 20 afterwards, but we shall see. We shall see again. Some stuff's trying to recover. Some stuff's sucking. So we'll see what else is moving. Let's go do, what haven't we done, man? What haven't we done? We haven't done ADA in a while. So let's go check out ADA. 49 cents, almost that 50-cent mark. So, not gonna be calling anything here, man. Are we dropping lower? We could be dropping lower here, man. Are we? Yeah, it looks like it. So we're just gonna go there and say there's some bullish diversion. For potential action to the upside here in ADA, we might be trying to get above that 20 moving average at 52.3 cents, and we are staying neutral at 45.68 again. ADA holding like a champ. Let's go to the 4-hour. Oh, look, we had the bearish divergence move down and pumped again. This might be from the 1-hour chart, actually. Yes, it is. How do I know? It makes no sense where it's anchored, and this thing is floating here in the middle of nowhere. So we did move down and then pump higher. So yeah, we're gonna talk about that in the 1-hour. But for now, all right, for now, high, lower, high, lower, high. Positive is positive and less. Well, here we're going the opposite, man. Hey, we're going higher. Look at this. Oh, I hear about sideways, but let's zoom in here and say that just like Ethereum, it has that bearish divergence that's starting to develop. Right on. So bearish divergence potential for action to downside, right? We might be moving down. Again, no quirky pattern, not cool looking thing. Not sure this is going to be a 30% rally, like we said, right? Oh, no to 30% rally, 20. So not cup and handle yet. And again, another cool little patterns neutral at 58.47. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Oh, look, this coin is not doing what the rest is doing. So this doesn't have that bearish divergence. Oh, good. Bought at 69.41. Awesome. Did he create something bullish? Yes, it did. We didn't even look at it. So bullish divergence, strong potential for action to the upside, getting that nice motion up. Nothing bearish in sight right now. So Cardano could keep on moving. Great. Congrats if you're holding Cardano. It's up 3.13% so far. What is AGI, man? What is this Algorand? Or no, AGLD. What is this? This is not algo. This is pumping 17% for some reason on this chart. It's a weird project. Let's go see something else. Because I have no clue what this project is. AGLD. Someone asked for it. So maybe some gold stuff. Someone asked for it a while back. Alrighty. ARPA chain, 18%. Let's see. Is the sand pumping as well? Sand 5%. All right. Seems like metaverse coins are doing something. All right. Let's see what's happening here, man. On the daily. Yeah, I already got it a while back, so I already know that part. Kind of sucks. Majorly, man. I hope you guys get better. Bullish divergence action to the upside started to go up, getting above that 20, which is good. Nothing bearish overhead for now. That is good for sand. 4-hour chart, man, going higher. Man, bearish divergence starting to develop. Strong bearish divergence. Oh no, look at that. We're going higher, and here we are managing to come slightly lower. That's going to put pressure on that price. Maybe try to go down. And maybe to that 20 moving average. That'll be a really good target at 94.13 cents. Right now at $1.07. And if we look at here, we are sitting at 70 cents. 70 cents, 70.72. So we're bought here on the RSI. That will be telling us that we could be moving down a bit. If Bitcoin breaks bullish, like we said, which we could, we might be looking maybe for some action to the upside here as well on sand. And here, oh man, I'm gonna really have to zoom in here and read this chart. So yes, we are coming up higher as we're going higher and higher here as well. So far, by the looks of it, let's zoom in. Oh no, not against the RSI yet. What? Alrighty, so against the RSI, there is a potential for bearish divergence strong. Oh no, we might move down on that. All right, just watch out for it, right? It keep pressure the price. We'll see how that keeps on going. Alrighty. Alright. What else, man? Let's keep on looking at here at coins. Let's do the dollar index. What's dollar index doing? Dollar index at 104. What? On the daily. Sideways motion. All right. After we had bearish divergence moving down. Not quite pumping a lot, but, you know, we should be going for that 20 moving average. Hopefully we can reach it. Neutral 56.90, so we're setting a little bit there on the RSI, so cooling off. And on the weekly, man, bearish divergence. Strong bearish divergence. Potential for action to downside. Might be looking for a movement down here happening on the dollar index. Let's go do DJI. Where the stonks at, man? I really haven't been looking at the markets lately. Oh, stonks are dropping. What? Tried to recover today, but yesterday we dropped quite a bit. Oh, we're in the weekly. On the daily, we're pumping. Great. Lower, lower, and lower still. There was nothing bullish here, so that's fine. So on the weekly, we create something bullish. Lower, more negative momentum, lower still. Yeah, here's some bullishness on this last drop for last week. So that could be the reason that we're starting to rally a bit here on the stonks. Here on them stonks, man. Here we go. Look at this. Bullish divergence. Potential fraction to the upside. There we go. Yes, market wizard. It means that. Cryptocurrencies says no more play money, bad bets. What? Do you run out of play funds, brother? That sucks, man. Why? What are you doing, man? The market's not fine. All I've been doing is selling, so I just been capitalizing on, whatever gains I made on the last cycle. And right now, it's just a winning game before I start to get back in. Yeah, I agree. Alrighty, so let's keep going here, man. So, Bucket Wizard's gonna be spit shining his shoes. Yes. Play 3-card poker. Ooh, that was pretty good. That was a pretty good way to get a bankroll going. Right on. Let's go here, man. Access. Axis again getting some action to the upside, but not on the weekly and the daily. Look, we are rallying by 4%, and yesterday another 5%. Like I said, right? Metaverse coins or all these like quirky little gamey things are getting some good action, man. They're starting to get traction. The market of wizard is such a troll. Alrighty, look at this. We're getting above that 786 here on BAT. What? Sitting at 42 cents? Really? I don't remember how much BAT I hold. I have to go look it out. Because, you get free BAT just from using the browser as well, so. Might be getting some BAT here and there. Here and there. BAT everywhere. BCH, please. Oh, look at that. BCH. Getting 1.4. Man, I'm trying to see what's gaining here good on the charts that we've looked at in the past. See if there's anything worth checking out. What is this, man? What is this? Coin! Coinbase Global. It's up 13%. What? Why is this up 13%? That is crazy, man. It pumped quite a bit. It went from 53 buckaroos to 58 buckaroos. We would have made it $5 here on the coin. Why is this pumping if the market sucks major? All right. The crow. It depends on where you look at crow, but this crow says it's up 4.87%. This one says 1.74. So it just really depends where you look at it, I guess. Not gonna be doing crow right now. I'm just scanning through, seeing anything that just could be pumping, right? 8% there and something else. Something that might have potential, man. That's what we're looking for. What? Oh, Grayscale also got a nice little bump here at 5, and then all right. Man, I'm trying to see if there's anything here that is worth checking out. I'm not finding a lot, man. Yeah. Whatever happened to the lunatics? W Luna. Ooh. Dead in the Vata. Zooming quite a lot here and put on log scale so we're able to see something. Hide the troll in your bands. And see that whatever we had gained a couple of days ago, it has gone. Wiped from the face of existence. Alright, so if you were holding W Luna, congrats, now it sucks again. Where's regular old Luna, man? Where's the regular old Luna? It's so poor right now. Y'all remember what Luna was like, you know? 129 bucks, and now it's like fraction of a penny. This is corny. It's bit corny. This is a bit corny. But it's channel something I look forward just about every night. So I love the community. Thanks, Martin, for keeping it up. Yeah, thanks, man. I appreciate it. Did anyone else see Charles Hoskin? No, really, dude. No, I didn't. I haven't really had a lot of time to look at crypto lately. It's just, I don't have a lot of time. It's just super busy at work. Yeah. And really heavy stuff. Really, really busy. Like, I took a nap today. You know how many times I take a nap? Never. But I've been so tired that I ended up, like, this chair reclines. And I reclined a bit on it. And I passed out for, like, 20 minutes, man. I didn't even notice. I just, like, wanted to lay back a bit. Like, relax for a second. And it's just completely gone. Like, wow, that's, that sucks. Right on, let's keep rolling, man. XRP. Well, the XRP at, man. XRP is doing good. 8% up. Wow. Getting some pullback rejection of that 37-cent mark. But XRP did good. All right, XRP came back down, like we said. 29 cents, now pumping. Great stuff there, man. Nothing bearish for now. Some bearish divergence. Oh, wait, yeah, there is some bearish divergence, some hidden bearish divergence. Hidden bearish divergence here against the RSI, right? That's gonna put pressure on the price. Maybe that was why we were getting that rejection at that 37-cent mark, right? Look at this 4 hours, so nice. It's like spit shining your shoes in your face, like floating everywhere, I guess. Shoe shining in your face. That's gonna be the new way to say it. We're overbought at 75.21. Let's go to the 1 hour chart, man. Oh, bro. 1 hour, highly overbought at 86.96. That's it. Alrighty. I think that's about it, though. It's really, like, XLM, I guess, also. Trying to do a little something, something. Alright, XLM managed to rally. It rallied 3.86%. On the daily, it's up 5%. But I'm expecting to see something very similar to XRP, because, you know, this is like 4 minutes XRP. It just pumps when XRP pumps. There is bullish divergence, right? Just like XRP had. Coming in lower here. And then we're getting this move here. There we go. Cadena is the only chain that solves the what? Trilemma. What is it? What trilemma are you talking about? Market visit. Since no hacks, scalability, and truly decentralized piece of. It's always. Yeah. Look at Luna and Solana. Yeah. Alrighty. Got your comment. Let's get moving. Alright. Neutral at 49. That's it, man. There's really not a lot going on here in XLM. It's just an XRP little clone. Something performs worse. Something performs worse than XRP. It's usually underperforming XRP though. So it's rare when we see XLM, you know, performing better than XRP. But we shall see. Yeah, what happened with that stupid coin, Flare token or whatever people were going to get for holding XRP. Y'all remember that? I never got no Flare. I never got no Flare for holding XRP. Friggin' sucks. The blockchain trilemma is a set of 3 issues: decentralization, security, and scalability. Well, you must ask Victor. Bond Wizard, Von Villain, who hasn't been around in a while. But Tom Miller. Right on. I think that's it. It's really not a lot else going on here. So. Right. The market visit is the Cadena, what do we call him? Cadena Prophet or Cadena, yeah, Cadena Evangelist. That's what it's gonna be called. Market Wizard, the Cadena Evangelist, KDA Evangelist. What? Oh, he's replying to the market visit. All right. It took a while there, man. Wow. That's like way over time for a comeback. It's like 3 hours later. It's like, oh, here's a comeback. Powered by a team of world-class superheroes and smart contract experts like MODOK and some other villains. Yeah. Anyways, I think we're gonna be calling it a stream. We've been live for about half an hour. There's really not a lot going on in the market. We got a little bit of motion up. We already discussed Bitcoin, where it could go. You know, if we're gonna break bullish or not. Oh, I had to puke. Oh, that sucks, bro. Yeah, Market Wizard comments about Cadena makes people want to puke. Anyways, gonna be calling you a stream for tonight, guys. Really not a lot going on in the market. We still don't know if we're gonna be ranging or if we're actually gonna be breaking bullish. I think we might break bullish short term, but you know, reject and go for that third leg down like we were talking about. Hit that 10 to 12K zone, maybe. But only time will tell, right? Only time will tell if we're gonna repeat the history that has been repeated times that where we go for 80% drops after all-time highs. Maybe because we didn't get a blow off top, we're not gonna go to that same depth of 80% that we've gotten in the past. Maybe we're bottoming. We don't know yet, right? But what we do know is that we could be ranging, and then we could be looking for action to the upside, right? But we, for now, are ranging, and maybe we'll break up and to the upside, and then we break back down. So that's gonna be it for tonight, guys. Thank you very much for joining me again. If you enjoyed the content, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub, join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for awesome content. And then if you don't like it, you can always unsubscribe later on. But subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for joining me tonight for this awesome stream. I enjoy being here every night. Thank you all for being part of this awesome crypto community and being part of this, being here every night and being part of this, which is amazing. Remember, all the information is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We are just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. On that note, thank you for watching. Till then.